bed frame came through, and then my mirrors right there, my carpet. I didn't open that yet because I'm waiting to do the video. This is part 2 of the video. We're gonna move and put this up first. I have this shoe rack thing in the corner right here and move that on the side next to the bed. Dang, what?
You're good. You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before.
So the first step is to put the rug down, the new rug.
It looks like the same one I had before, but upgraded version. Yeah. It's like 80% done, 90% done with the bed frame. But my last bed frame is the same, but this is just like an upgraded. They didn't have all this, but yeah, this is so much better. And it comes with drawers too right there, so we're gonna have to put those up later. Drawers are done.
I like purple or that light blue.
Ooh, and the bed is done. Well, not the comforter yet, but y'all look at how. Yep. You did your thing, babe. Thanks.
I mean, we did our thing.
Yeah, y'all.
By just staring and watching. Yep. Because this is gonna move.
Oh, you have to place it in so it doesn't move.
I'm gonna buy the actual bed sheet because unfortunately it does not come with it, even though it costs $80. So I'm just gonna use this for now. And I'm gonna buy some more pillows tomorrow and fill up this little pillowcase. Oh, this one.
I like the color. I like how it goes well with the room.
So this is what it looks like for now. I'm gonna buy more pillows.
And a white throw pillow. A
throw
fluffy
blanket.
one. Yeah, throw blanket. Yeah.
It's so cute. Okay, with the light. And y'all, Rhoda's making food at the background. That's why you hear that.
To see how it looked like if it was taller. We're just testing it out.
Yeah.
See, it's nice
Oh,
taller.
it's nice.
But not that tall, but like a little bit lower.
Yeah,
because
it's
you know
not gonna be that tall.
it's not gonna be that tall. It's just we're just testing it out. Well, over there, that'd be pretty.
Are they right?
This is not the finished product.
Yeah,
this is
trying out.
yeah, we're halfway there.
Ready to see. On top? Oh! Oh. How about that? Look, there's like 4 of it.
Just need to hang up like 3.
The black.
Black or whatever other color.
True.
But make it look more elegant. Put your coat tricks.
Yeah.
Or like
What about the sleeve?
oh, it's good for side sleepers.
Oh, this is what it said.
It's good for side sleepers.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after we put in the long pillow. Ew, then we just try to see what this looks like, but this is not the finished product yet. Here is my mirror, and this is what it looks like in the room. I am obsessed with this mirror. Like, this mirror is the biggest mirror I've ever had in my room before. Like, this is like basically 6 feet tall. But I'm going to like slowly get things and, you know, order things because I don't want to order everything at once, and I don't want to rush into decorating my room when I'm not really sure what I want to put up on there. Okay, my curtain rods came through the mail. I literally just ordered this morning, and it literally came in like the afternoon. So that's what's up with Amazon Prime. Now lately I've been recording on my phone because it's just more accessible, more easier to just grab and take and record, because I haven't freed up any storage on my camera yet. But enough talking. My curtains came through, so I got like, you know, this beige color. It's my room theme color. It's gonna be like beige, white, and black. I also got this like sheer curtain to go like between the beige curtain. I'm gonna get this situated, all these boxes and stuff that I have not cleaned up. I'm gonna get this situated so then he can go up here later and put up the curtains for me. Should I, you know, start stacking up my shoes up there? I think I might do that too today. But other than that, that's what I'm gonna do today. I already cleaned this side of the room, just not on this side, so I'm gonna do that today so I can start up with making my content, because, you know, I can't make any content when my room is messy and not unpacked. I might put this above my headboard. What do you guys think? I brought these from my old room. My theme is black, beige, and white. So what do you guys think? It going up above the headboard, because I'm like 50-50 right now, because I don't have much black going on in my room right now. I'm gonna open these boxes and start unpacking. I have like 3 more boxes left to do, and then I'm done with boxes. So let me just get these done out of the way so then later I can put on my curtains. So I got some of my shoes and purses in here. So I'm gonna start with this box first. And these are just random things that I forgot to pack like last minute. So I'm gonna work on this box last, but I'm gonna work on my shoes first. These are also my shoes in here. All my other shoes and heels are in here. Put all my heels and purses on display on my regular shoes. I think they're gonna go on like a regular shoe rack, and I'm just gonna put it in my closet. I'm just gonna take out all my heels. This side's gonna be like all white and beige heels and purses, so it can match my room, and then the other side will be like all my colorful heels like these. For the layout, I think I'm gonna do like heels, purse, then like purse, heels, like just alternated. This is what I have so far. This is gonna be like my main display. I'm gonna have this side showing always, just because like it matches like my whole theme going on. And the other side, I'm gonna put all these other heels and shoes where, like, you know, it won't be on display. But this is what I have so far. I might change it up around again, but for now I'm just gonna keep it like that until I look through all of my other stuff. But then I'm just gonna see where all these other things are gonna go. I put my shoes on this rack right here in the closet. I think it's super cute. So I have all my shoes and it goes all the way down there. So I'm gonna just keep all my sneakers here, and then my heels and my sandals on this rack. Now he's gonna put up my curtain rod. He's back from work.
Indeed.
I just got like everything just put neatly until I figure out where to put everything set. I like this rod from Amazon because you can like adjust it to how long or however long you want it to. With the silver
next step. Get my movie puzzle card. Yeah, sir. Movie puzzle. You know how we do it.
See here, kid. You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bang it.
Good. Nice. And it's completed. Thank you, babe.
And you might think, what if I fall?
I'm at TJ Maxx right now, and y'all, I just came here just to look at some stuff. I don't know if I was gonna buy anything, but y'all, they have the cutest little decors. My bathroom is the only one that's I haven't been actually like working on. So let me show you what I got. So this is what I found so far. I think my theme for my bathrooms is gonna be like clean. It's gonna be like silver and white. I want to just keep it simple, but yeah, look what I found. Look, they have these little cute bow things. I might get these. So we're back home, and yeah, we did a whole shopping spree. Also did a lot of grocery shopping, so we're gonna put that away. But after I put away the groceries, I'm gonna do a little haul for the bathroom decors. We found these like cool like little statue things. Rhoda wanted to get it for the living room, so here's that. I'm thinking like maybe put in like a statue, little nice art piece right there, and then our curtain's gonna come in tomorrow, so we're gonna put that up there. I feel like it would look nice, but don't mind that, I'm doing my nails later. We got those two from Roses actually. I got this piece for in my room. I feel like it's actually cute. Art pieces up there, and I feel like it's gonna match like my shoe rack. Now I'm just waiting to buy some artwork to put up on my wall right here, and that's just there for now because I don't know what I'm gonna put up there. So I'm gonna put away these groceries, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx and from, did I get anything else from Roses? No, I only got those statues from Roses and like some napkins. Did I get anything else?
What came before? You just gotta bang it.
Do a little haul that I got today. Glass piece. I'm gonna put this on my bathroom and put like the soap things and like stuff on this tray. Got this cross that says we walk by faith and not by sight, and I'm gonna put this on my desk right here. Socks, because I really don't have any pairs of socks right now, and then some white towels. Got this cute piece from TJ Maxx. Got my shampoo from there, and I also got this cute soap little container or dispenser, whatever you call it. I'm gonna put all my soap in here, and then to match it, I also got this. So I'm gonna put my toothbrushes and like other stuff in here. I also got these bath rugs from TJ Maxx. 2 set piece, and then I just got a white one and some patterns to it. I also got these cute little bow hand towels, and I just got me a white towel. And lastly, I got my hamper. I didn't have one. This is all that I got for today. I'm gonna do some more shopping throughout the week, but I don't want to spend too much, you know, in a single day, so I'm gonna do that throughout the week. I'm gonna put my rug down first. I think it's
You might think, what if I fall? Well, you see here, kid. You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after. And you might think, what if I fall?
That's what we have, or what he had built so far.
We did it as a team, baby. Is it still recorded?
Yeah.
No. Well, look. Yeah, we got these right here. Attach those. Obviously, those are the drawers that will slide in. But we trying to do this while watching Get Out. But you know, Get Out is too tough.
To just be playing in the background.
It's too good. I gotta change
Yeah,
it.
I haven't even watched it yet.
Then we put this one in there.
Okay, the cabinet's coming along, but bruh, it's bigger than I measured it to be. So I'm just gonna put this right here. I was gonna originally put it right here, but I measured it wrong and it doesn't fit. So I feel like this spot right here is actually pretty cute. I like this little area right here going on, and I'm gonna put like picture frames right there or a little mirror. I don't know what I'm gonna do.